Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al from the Palestinian schools in Doha, Qatar. Today I will explain to you Unit 3, Period 3 and 4 for the 7th grade, pages 22 and 23. Let's get started. Let's start with the new vocabulary. Exercise 1, page 22. In this exercise you have 7 new vocabulary. I will play them twice. First listen and repeat.
Distance, gorilla, intelligent, kilometer, no, popular, story.
Okay, now listen and repeat.
Distance, gorilla, intelligent, kilometer, no, popular, story.
The lessons vocabulary. Let's take the new vocabulary one by one in details. Distance. Distance is a noun. Distance means the amount of space between two places or points. Gorilla. Gorilla is a noun. Gorilla means a very large black African ape. Intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. Intelligent means clever or smart. Linda is intelligent. She always solves her problems alone. Kilometer. Kilometer is a noun. Kilometer means a measure of length which equals 1000 meter. Know. Know is a verb. Know means to have knowledge or information in your mind. Popular. Popular is an adjective. Popular means liked by many people or by most people in a group. Popular also means common. Example, Turkey is a popular holiday destination. Story. Story is a noun. Story means a description of people and events that are not real. Exercise 1, page 23. Listen and number the words in the order you hear them. I will now play the audio. Hold your pencil and write the number of the words in the order you hear them. By the end of this exercise, there will be one word that is not mentioned. You will know it later. Are you ready? I will play the audio now.
I know that gorillas are very intelligent. I read a story about how animals communicate. Some animals can communicate over a long distance, even thousands of kilometers.
Okay, let's now number the words one by one. Which is the first word? Yes, no. No is the first one. The second one is gorillas, very good. The third one, intelligent. Number 4 is story. The fifth one is distance. And the last one is kilometer. So, which word didn't you hear? Yes, it's popular. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 2, page 23. Read and circle the correct words. Here you have 5 sentences with 2 options for each sentence. Read them one by one and choose the correct word, okay? Number 1. Stories about animals are intelligent or popular in English. What do you think? Number 2. The noise travels hundreds of kilometers or hundreds of distance. 3. I know an interesting story or an interesting distance about a gorilla. 4. A kilometer is a long distance or a long no. 5. A gorilla or a story is a big animal. Okay, I'll give you some time to think and circle the correct words. Have you finished? Okay, let's do them one by one. What is the first answer? Stories about animals are, yes, popular in English. Number 2. The noise travels hundreds of what? Kilometers. Good. 3. I know an interesting about a gorilla. An interesting what? Story, of course. 4. A kilometer is a long what? Yes, distance. 5. A gorilla, a story, is a big animal. What is the big animal? A gorilla, of course. Exercise 3, page 23. Complete the sentences with words from activity 1. Then match the sentences with the pictures. Okay, my students, in this exercise, you need to look at activity 1 to choose the suitable words. Then you have to put the letter of the correct words from the correct pictures, from the pictures under the sentences. Let's first read these 5 sentences together. Number 1. Gorillas are very animals. What do you think? Which word you should choose from activity 1? 2. The city is 1,000 away. 3. Do you? Alina, she's very nice. 4. Drinking tea is very in the UK. 5. My uncle loves to tell he is very intelligent. Okay, I'll give you some time to choose the correct words from number 1, from exercise number 1, then to match each sentence with its correct picture. Ready, my students? Okay, I'll list the answers. Number 1. Gorillas are very true, intelligent animals. Which picture? Picture D. 2. The city is 1,000 away. 1,000 what? 1,000 kilometers. Which picture? Picture A. Good. 3. Do you? Alina. She is very nice. Do you what? Of course, no. Do you know Alina? She is very nice. Picture A, of course. 4. Drinking tea is very in the UK. It's very what? Yes, of course, very popular. Picture B. 5. My uncle loves to tell he is very interesting. To tell a what? Yeah, to tell a story. Picture C. Exercise 3, page 22. Listen and read. Okay, I will play the audio. Listen and follow.
Animals talk to people in different ways, and some people learn to understand. Coco is a very intelligent gorilla. She lives with some scientists in the United States. She knows about 1,000 signs, and she understands about 2,000 words in English. Many animals, like dogs, cats, and elephants, make a noise to communicate. And some animals communicate over a long distance. Whales make a sound like singing, and the noise travels hundreds of kilometers under the sea to other whales. Some animals communicate in other ways. Bees dance when they find food. Then other bees know what direction to go in. Stories about people talking to and understanding animals are popular in English. 3 famous stories are Tarzan, The Jungle Book, and the Dr. Dolittle books. Dr. Dolittle is a scientist with many animal friends. He talks to them in their languages.
Exercise 4, page 22. Read and tick the true sentences. Then correct the false ones, or the false sentences. Okay, let's first read the sentences one by one. Coco can understand 1,000 English words. 2. Elephants can make a noise. 3. The noise that whales make travel thousands of kilometers. Okay, I'll give you some time to take the true sentences and to cross the wrong ones, then to correct them. Okay, have you finished? Let's take them one by one. Number 1. Coco can understand 1,000 English words. What do you think? Yes, of course it's wrong. What's the true answer? It can understand 2,000 English words. Number 2. Elephants can make a noise. Is it true? Yes, of course, it's true. 3. The noise that whales make travels thousands of kilometers. Is it true or false? Yes, it's false. What's the true answer? The noise that whales make travels hundreds of kilometers. So it travels hundreds of kilometers. Exercise 5, page 22. Read and answer the questions. These two questions about the text which we heard and read in the previous slide. Number 1. Why do bees dance? 2. What can Dr. Dolittle do? Okay, I'll give you some seconds to think and write your answers. Finished? Okay, number 1. Why do bees dance? Good. They dance to tell other bees that it found food. Okay. Number 2. What can Dr. Dolittle do? He can talk to animals in their languages. Good. Now get from the passage. The synonym of. What is the synonym of speak? Talk. Talk is the synonym of speak. It is here in the first paragraph. Animals talk to people in different ways. Good. The synonym of smart. Intelligent. Intelligent means smart. Where is it? The first paragraph here. Cuckoo is a very intelligent gorilla. Contact. What is the synonym of contact? Communicate. In the second paragraph, many animals like dogs, cats, and elephants make a noise to communicate. The opposite of. Find the opposite of similar. Good. Different. Different is the opposite of similar. It is in the first paragraph. Animals talk to people in different ways. The opposite of lose. Find. Find is the opposite of lose. It is in the third paragraph. Bees dance when they find food. The opposite of unknown. Famous. Famous is the opposite of unknown. It is here in the fourth paragraph. 3 famous stories are Tarzan, The Jungle Book, and the Dr. Dolittle books. Okay, the underlined pronoun refers to. Here, the underlined pronoun here refers to what? Yes, it refers to Dr. Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle is a scientist with many animal friends. Thanks for watching and good luck. Teacher Ahmed Al-Jagami was with you and see you soon in a new lesson.